Alright guys, we're here. Well, we're at her work. Taylor's back.
Hello.
So we're here in San Diego. My boy Rex, we did a feature with him a few months back. They're hosting an event called Rexfest. I think he does it annually, so we're here to do coverage of the event. There's some clean cars already here in the parking lot, so let's get into today's video. Also, a heads up, I think there's a DJ here at this event, so we might have to. Alright, like I was saying, there's the DJ, so you guys might get a bunch of B-rolls, but I want to get a little one-on-one background with Rex on this event, so let's get into it.
Hey everyone, my name is Rex Guevara. I operate Rex One Productions. It's my nonprofit organization that I started, and today we're hosting Rexfest over here at Heart Revolution Church in National City. Today, all this event is basically inaugurating our first of 5 events coming up this year. So all we're trying to do right now is just bring people together, bring the community back and supporting local businesses. And on top of that, focusing on mental health. So my main goal basically is just to provide, the community something to look forward to. Bring it back to how it used to be, help each other out, try to get some way of networking, and what we're trying to do is create, opportunities for people, because a lot of people always wonder, hey, how come you know so many people? It's all the doors I've opened, and this is what's happened right here. This is a culmination of everything I've done. Yeah. And so far, considering this is the first show, it's been an awesome turnout. I can't be more thankful for everybody who showed up, all my sponsors, all my vendors, all the friends and homies who supported by paying registration, showing off their car. And all we're trying to do is providing a platform, for everyone to showcase their business, showcase their cause, showcase their passion, their pride over here. So I'm glad everybody came out, and let's keep it going.
Yeah, we'll definitely be looking out for the next event.
Definitely.
And we might even consider being a sponsor.
Yeah, definitely. If not, let's collab. Let's build something.
Yeah,
Let's do something together. If anything else, I'm down for all that because we're just trying to bring the car community together like how it used to be, but in a different way, and where we can support each other rather than being competitive.
Yeah.
Everyone wants to be like top dog, top dog. Why can't we just support each other? All this right here is all supporting each other.
Yeah.
Like we have small businesses here, like providing all sorts of different things. We have K-swap bills, we have airbags. We have someone distributing more parfum.
Yeah.
And this basically that's just a little sample of what's going on.
Yeah.
And so this is just the first of many, and hopefully it gets bigger and bigger.
Definitely.
Yeah. I appreciate you coming out.
Yeah, thanks for inviting me, man. It's definitely a good turnout. It's definitely a good mix of cars.
Yeah.
And looking forward for the next one.
Yeah, me too, man. I'm glad you came out and got to share this with you and get to share with everyone else as well. And they get to see what our vibe is down here in San Diego.
Yeah.
It's not what you think it is. Come down, don't be scared. You know what I'm saying? This is who we are. We're just kicking it.
Yeah.
And check out the vibe. Everyone's just hanging out. And this is all from every single generation from junior high to there's like 60, 70-year-olds over here. So, we're bringing it together.
Nice.
Yeah. So,
cool.
All right, man.
Thanks, bro.
Hey, thank you, bro.
All right, see you next time.
All right, you too, man. Thank you.
Later. pulls up with his VIP Lexus. 4-inch lips? Sheesh! This is the same model GS. I think mine's just a 2017. What year is yours? 2015. So it's a 2-year difference. So every 2 years, some dealerships, they are car brands, they'll change the headlights, but mine are more pointed and they have like the LED light on the bottom separate from the actual headlight. But Lee from Chamorro Boy redid these for him. Triple chrome, all new bolts, faces, so clean.